Are you good, bro?
I'm good, man. Never been better.
Well, then what's wrong with you?
I really got a cough, bro.
Just cough then. What's the problem?
No. I just coughed 2 minutes ago. You can't cough twice in a row. Everyone knows that.
Are you sure you're good? You're sweating like bullets, man. You're sweating.
What do you mean, man? I'm good, bro. I'm telling you, man.
I know you keep on saying you're good, but you ain't looking too good right now, bruh. Now, who can tell me what they think the first step to solving this problem is? JaVaughn? Let me guess. He had a cough, huh? Get up. Cough.
Wait.